we have three different positions. What this means? The first one, we can just create a grooving on the panel, and from the mechanical device, we can adjust the depth on the panel. There is a toolkey and you can move. Then we can have just a scoring unit and blade. How is doing it? The blade will tilt just a few grades and it will make just this first grooving on the bottom of the panel. Then it will stay, turn again straight to come back and cut.
So what's the quality?
And you will down this. And the second one, do the standard size. If I have this sensor this way, I can use this control. If I turn the sensor on this switch like this, I will use the other control. Another important point is the following. This one is the speed of the saw carriage. This switch is, as I mentioned to you, three different positions. Only the grooving. Only cutting. If I want to do just a timber.
So if I want to cut a panel to bend it, I can use the grooving setting and then use this to increment it towards, let's say, every 10.5 millimeters.
Yes. If you want to increase the grooving, yes. Only grooving. Grooving, scribe, scoring, and cutting. MDF timber. How I move the pusher? Very easy. Just press the dimension and move. So when you need to make a lot of strip, you can work with incremental. So you must make a strip of 100. So 100 plus and go. And the machine calculates 100 plus the curve of the blade.
Okay, so standard has this and this.
No, this,
Just this on the side.
this and this is optional.
So there's no support.
Only the table there is the support.
So how much is